For a start, this is for Chelsea. The Cole Palmer is getting the goal, his 10th goal of the season there. Yes, Wolves there equalized 1-1 there, but this is an absolutely stunning piece of start. This is for Chelsea there. Just in the 20th minute, he scored the goal there in the end. And what a pass is from Moises Caicedo there in the end. Absolutely wonderful to see him performing like that. So I'll give you all those latest updates. Keep tuning to my channel for those latest updates there in the end. And
you like this video, so stay tuned for the latest updates from mine, and I'll try to keep notice the latest updates on the scoopers and reviews, and keep tuning to my channel. And yes, keep supporting, keep sharing your analysis and your comments here in the end. So have a wonderful day, take care, and I hope you like this video. So lots of games coming up, and yes, I try to give all the latest updates there in the end. So that's it. Have a wonderful day. Take care.